Hello everyone, my name is Matthew and welcome to you to howtoplaythesax.com. In this very quick saxophone lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the note G. G for golf, G. G. Okay, so on our saxophones, we have a left hand, we have a right hand. So on our left hand for the note G, we have first finger, second finger, third finger, and that is it. Just the three fingers. 3 fingers on our left, nothing on our right, 3 fingers on our left hand. That is the note G. And it sounds like this. The note G on the alto saxophone. Now, actually, there is another one. If you press your thumb on the register key, here, the octave key at the back, that is also G. So we've still got 3 fingers, 3 fingers G with or without the register key. So G without the register key, G with the register key at the back on the thumb. Ready? It's a higher one. G, another G. And that is how you play the note G on your alto sax. Thanks for visiting. My name's Matthew. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another lesson at howtoplaythesax.com. Thanks.